Hello Junior 5 students, how are you? Welcome in your science class with me, Miss Shaimaa Hamdy Kassem, and in your channel, the Big Sister channel. So now we will take a quick introduction for the first concept, first unit in your science book. Okay, I want you to know that studying science in Junior 5 is very interesting, and the topics are easy and nice, and you will love it. Okay, so here we have theme 1, systems. Okay, and unit 1 has the title interactions of organisms. Okay, so we want to know what the meaning of interactions of organisms. Okay, as you see here, this cat is eating. Yes, so this cat eats grass. Yes, as we see. Okay, so here the cat is a living organism that depends on the grass or the plant, as it is another living organism. For what? For getting food. Okay, also we have here another example: rabbits eat grass. Okay, so here the rabbits as a living organism depend on the plant, which is another living organism, to get food. Okay, to live and survive. Okay, here we have another example, as we have here eagle that eats the rabbit. Okay, so the eagle depend on another living organism, which is the rabbit, to get its food. Yes, okay, so here also human eats both plants and animals, as the human can eat vegetables or fruits, or animals like what, like fish, like chicken, like meat. So human gets the food from another living organisms. That is what the meaning of interaction of organisms. Okay, as they are depending on each other to get food. Okay, to live and survive. So what do you notice here? Yes, as we said, there are interactions between the living organisms. Okay, as the living organisms depend on each other to get food, to live and survive. Also, there is another thing, that most of the living organisms depend on plant to get food, as even this living organism eats plant directly, like the cat or the rabbit, or there is another living organism that eats an living organism, an animal that eats plant, like the eagle. The eagle eats the rabbit, and which ate the plant. Okay, so here we know that most of the living organisms depend on plants to get food. Okay, even directly or indirectly. So well done, Junior 5 students. Okay, so from here we can say that the plants are very important. Why? Because most living organisms depend on plants to get food. Yes, so from here we want to know the plant needs, the things that make the plant live and grow and survive, because it's very important for most living organisms to live and survive, as they depend on the plants to get food. Yes, so here this is the concept 1, plant needs. Okay, as we said that the plants are very important, and they have a very important role in the living systems. Okay, and there are different types of plants, as we see here. Even they are found everywhere. Okay, as you see here, as trees or fields. Okay, or in the desert, as you see here, this is cactus. okay, also in the grass land as we see here, okay, or even in our streets we see trees, yes, so they are everywhere, okay. And it is important to know what is the basic plant needs, what is the important plant needs to make the plant grow and survive, okay. What do you think about the plant needs? If you grow a plant, okay, in your home, you will provide this plant with what? Yes, water, yes, and in a place that have sunlight, yes, and air. So we can say that the basic plant needs, okay, the important needs for the plant to grow up and survive are air, water, and sunlight, yes. Also we have soil, okay. So the basic plant needs to grow up and survive air, water, and sunlight, okay. So what do you see here? This is wilted plant. Wilted plant. What the meaning of wilted plant? The plant when it becomes weak and bend toward the ground like that, okay, it's not healthy, okay. So we have here two pictures, okay, as we have plant A and plant B, okay. So what are the differences between these two plants? Yes, we see that plant B is healthy and has green leaves, yes, but in plant A it is wilted, yes, and has yellow leaves, dry leaves, yes. So what make plant A looks like that? What are the reasons that cause plant A to stop growing and die? What do you think? Yes, it may doesn't get one of the basic needs, yes, yes, as it doesn't get sunlight, as it may placed in dark place, okay, or it doesn't get enough water, as it may not be watered regularly, okay, or it doesn't get enough air, as it placed in a bad aerated area. So that makes this plant A, wilted and has yellow leaves, okay. It can't grow or survive because it doesn't get the basic needs, the sunlight, the air, and the water. Here I want you to know that the plant gets the air, which is oxygen, and the water from the soil, okay, from the soil by the roots, as you see here, okay. Okay, so the plant uses the sunlight, air, and water, which are the basic needs. Why? To make their own food, as the plant is a living organism that can make its own food, okay. And this not like most living organisms that can't make its own food. They depend on another living organism to get food, even the plant or animal that ate plant, okay. So here this is the difference between the plant and the other organisms, as the plant can make its own food, okay. At this point we finished our introduction. Next video we'll talk about the plant needs in details, okay. So don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the Big Sisters channel. For now, thank you for watching and goodbye.